We came to our relative. Today they have guests from America, tourist group that will have breakfast here. We're gonna accompany them together. I'm very excited. You see that there is no need to visit the open air museum. Everywhere is like a museum, natural beauty. Look at this. And this is my mom's village. Now we're gonna collect some tomatoes for the breakfast. Patates, soğan, kabak da.
Kabak
Harika.
da var, patlıcan var.
Look at this.
Çok güzel.
İşte götürmesin. Atmıştım beni ayaktayım. Kayısı reçelim var.
Apricot jam. Oo, çok güzel.
Ondan sonra balım var.
Evet. Hangisini aldın?
Şunu al.
Oo, maşallah. Beautiful. Blessing.
Dönüyorum.
Çok güzel. With my mom and İrfan abi.
20-23 derece falan olduğu için donuyor. Yüksek olursa.
You remember I told you that they don't hang them because it gets really very cold. That's what he's saying.
Actually, you know what the harvest time is? You know, September and October.
Siz de mi New York'ta yaşadınız?
Yeah.
They are the mother and the daughter.
And she's my mom. We are all relatives.
Do you all still live in New York or
No,
do you?
no, turn back here. Now we are in Istanbul.
So you moved back to Turkey?
Yes, yes.
Why?
Sana gelirler bizi ziyarete sağ olsunlar.
Yeah.
The lady is his aunt. You know, they're kind of cousins.
Yes.
Am I right?
Yeah.
All right, guys. She would love to hear that. Eline sağlık.
Yeah.
Health, health to your hands.
To your hands.
Hands, yeah, so that you could, you know,
It's okay.
Eline, speak foreign language. And you think that everybody speaks in English?
That's right.
My wife and I both enjoy cooking, and in fact, we rarely go out to dinner. Very
Oh, that's
rarely.
great.
I cook every Sunday. As for a cookbook,
Yes.
I enjoy cooking, but I need it to be simple. So my favorite cookbook, when I first started cooking, 75, now that was a long time ago, was Peg Bracken, the I Hate to Cook book. Have you ever heard of that?
No, not that one.
That was enormously famous
Oh.
back when I was a college student back in the 60s. You probably weren't even born.
Yeah.
Just go-to recipes that were very easy and very, very delightful. And always use the best ingredients you can. And said, and never use margarine.
Yeah, exactly.
Remember that I told you that in winter they they put earth onto the roots and they air it.
Şu anda mesela üzüm kesince buna eleman koyuyorlar.
Now the noise is going to start.
We are in the Women's Cooperative in Çat kasabası. I'm very excited to be here and film the famous
Nevşehir tava.
Nevşehir tava. The earthenware pan is also made in Avanos, another district of Nevşehir. Let's take a look at the ingredients first and then make it.
Yemeğimiz için et başrolde.
Evet.
Biberimiz, domatesimiz, kuyruk yağı, salça, sarımsak.
They are also from the village. Their garden, they just freshly picked, organic. They look beautiful, really different. So we're gonna cut them now, put them all together in the certain layer. So let's begin.
Bunun özelliği biraz daha iri olması hanım. Küçük olduğunda dağılır, hiç tava olduğu belli olmaz.
We're gonna cut the garlic and then add the meat chunks.
Evet.
So we're gonna add a bit more peppers on top of the tomatoes and then add the meat.
Domates, biber, sarımsak ne kadar çok oldu tava o kadar güzel oldu.
Tamam. On top of the meat, the sheep tail fat. This is how it looks. You just cut it and then partially put it. A little bit vegetable oil on top. The meat is about 1.5 kilogram and about half cup vegetable oil is enough. About 200 grams tail fat. These are small hot peppers. If you want to make it hot, you can add a couple of them here. And we are ready to cook. In the village oven, looks very heavy, çok ağır. Okay, let's take it. Elinize sağlık. Tam kabuk. Şeklini değiştir.
Şeyin üstünde çeksin şöyle.
The Nevşehir tava is in the oven now. It's gonna take about 1.5 hours to cook. And while it's cooking, we're gonna visit my village, my mom's hometown with İrfan abi. This mosque is made from cave.
Şuradaydı onu var ya toplamışlar her şeyini bırakmışlar.
It is closed, we cannot enter. This is old stone house, abandoned. We are in Chat Valley. We are in where my mom grew up when she was kid area. They were cooking breads here. And this is where the animals were. These are pure natural like caves. Now they're using to put their stuff and probably their food. This is we call dayı. My mom's mother's brother. This is where he lived. Şurada kapı açık.
Osman gitti, gel gidelim.
Gidelim.
Dedemle otururduk. Çatalını okşardım öyle. Beni çağırdı falan.
We used to stay in that room and windows were looking at the Cappadocia's famous fairy chimneys.
Vay be.
Ee,
Oradan benim de var yakın. Sen birine.
This is the bathroom. I remember they making bread here, the yufka sheets, cooking here, and we were eating, and there were piles of bread like this high for the winter. This was for the horse. We were getting fresh eggs for the breakfast here. They are drying tomatoes to make tomato paste, I think. Bakabilir miyim? Hmm. Evet.
Meryem. Annem gel. Meryem yanıma gel. Havanur ablana bak.
It's right on where when I was a kid, we stayed. They made hotel behind me. Hmm.
Yanıma gel şu.
Güzel. Olmuş tam. Güzel. Harika. Harika. Hadi. Peki. Çok güzel bu. Çiçekler burada çok büyüyor. Var mıydı hepsi?
Hayır, burası daha önceden vardı.
Kabak. So under the cave they have their garden. Up here it is like 500 years old, they say, the room.
Suyu da var. Oradan kaynak suyu.
It's right across the hotel.
Ayşenur burası çok eski. 500 yılı falan var mı? Oradan gittiğin zaman 27 tane oda var. İçeriye doğru.
Çekimdeyiz.
Halam İbrahim aldı.
Okay, my friends, our Nevşehir tava is done. It rested a little bit. Dear İrfan abi spread this table for us. You see this bread we just filmed when it is baking. And we have these beautiful grapes again from the shop around the town. These are also from the town and we are ready to taste. Teşekkür ediyorum İrfan abi.
Biz de teşekkür ederim.
Çat Belediyesi'ne de evet eski köyümüz gurur duydum burada
Biz de
olmaktan.
sizleri ağırlamaktan çok memnun kaldık. Hoş geldiniz.
Teşekkür ederiz. My mom and my family is waiting around us for us to taste.
Sözleri nereden öğrendin?
Beautiful. And this is the tail fat. You see the fat here. Ben de gösterirken doldurdum tamam. Tamam. Okay, now let's taste. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. I'm gonna. He couldn't wait and gave it to my mom, but I'm gonna taste. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. The tail fat. It's perfectly done. I'm gonna get from the bread a little bit. The bread is very soft, by the way. To the oil. Şöyle. Very delicious. And now we're gonna enjoy with my relatives and family. We're gonna continue to visit Nevşehir.
Siz başta
Sen devam et.
onlar yiyormuş, biz burada yalanı duymuşuz falan diye.
Çok güzel ama böyle yumuşacık değil.
I've been waiting for this for so long. Now we're gonna collect some grapes.
Sahibine yazmışlar. O hani nizahlaştı şöyle böyle falan diye dedim ya sana. Hatırlıyorsun değil mi? Evet, böyle. Ben buraya bakmış. Ondan sonra şu dalın orada. Dal bizim ya. O adam dedim bana dedim yerimi vermiyor dedim.
İstediğine göre. Anne bıçak. Evet, bağdan, tekli bağların arkasındaki çalı.
O çalıdan bu taraf değil, bu böyle, burası böyle.
Hani tamirci
He.
burada kaldı. Dayım demişti ya. Biz
Bir hep işaretliyorlar oraya.
Yeter mi anne? Çok iyi. we have a nice surprise. Nasıl alacağım?
Çanını. Şu çatal var ya çatal. Al.
Hoş yanıyor burası. We have a nice surprise after the grapes we collected. I wasn't expecting this. This table is the one I bought from Çorum. For the first time we are using it in Nevşehir. We are making gözleme.
Kıymalı.
Kıymalı with mincemeat filling. This is Auntie Elmas. She really looks like my mom. That's why I love her more. Sasılama diyoruz dedin değil mi?
Evet.
Hı hı.
Kıymayla domates, biber.
Ha, you can use mincemeat sauteed or from raw as they do in Kastamonu. Bu ne açıyorsun Elmas abla?
Eskiden ekmekçiydi.
Yandım. Boşandı etti herhalde.
Gördün bacığı.
Çok çabuk oldu.
Yavaş bak.
Oklayın ucunu öte
These are not suitable. That's why I cannot do it.
Bunu böyle tatlı gibi yapıyor musunuz hiç?
İşte bunu böyle yapıyor. İşte peynir, patates.
hepsini
konur. Oranı yapmışsın ben. Ama nasıl zor? Hemen yapmıyor. Nasıl zor anlar?
Soğan yer misiniz?
Yeşillik olabilir.
Alda
Şuraya oturacağım da.
Böyle kalmadan. Ne ya?
We are going back to Istanbul from Nevşehir and look what we have on our way back to eat.